Hey friends, Asif here again. Today we are speaking about powder protein. And yes, when we speak about powder protein, whey has to be spoken about. What is whey protein? Whey protein is made out of milk, and when you are preparing paneer, the water which remains down is whey water. Now that whey water is converted into whey protein. Whey protein is a fast absorbed protein and it has to be used after any strenuous activity. Because it is fast absorbed, it gets into your body faster and repairs your muscles and tissues fast. And it is also a very common ingredient in infant baby food. So now you understand what is whey protein and why it is used. Yes, a lot of people think that whey protein is injurious or harmful. But I feel whey protein has its own place in the diet or in the fitness industry. Generally, when you eat natural sources of protein, they are slow absorbed. So that can be taken throughout the day. But when you need quick fire protein, whey protein is the best answer for that. Now, there are different forms of whey protein. We begin with whey concentrate. Concentrate is actually the most common, but I would say, and not very expensive rather. But generally, when you talk about whey protein concentrate, you just don't only have whey protein concentrate. It is always a blend. People use whey protein concentrate and isolate as a blend so that it is easy for the digestive system. So whenever you buy whey protein, you will see that you always have a blend of whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate. Now, the other thing which comes next is whey protein isolate. Now, what is isolate? You will see there are different people with lactose intolerance. So, they may opt for isolates because the lactose from whey protein or the blend is removed completely. So it becomes easier for people with lactose intolerance to digest and utilize that protein. It is very similar to the blend. The only difference is that because people are lactose intolerant, it would actually give them results and it will not create a problem. The third kind of protein is called hydrolyzed whey. Now this is again a form of isolate protein, so we will not go in deep. This is hydrolyzed whey. It's an isolate protein again, in which all the lactose is removed and people with lactose intolerance can use it. This protein, casein now is the paneer what remains when you are actually making whey or whether you're making paneer. The paneer which remains has casein protein. Now, difference between whey protein and casein protein is that casein protein is very slow absorbed. Yes, it is very slow absorbed and it takes around say 4 to 7 hours to digest in your body. This is also known as night protein. So generally athletes would prefer taking it before a strenuous workout or maybe at night. So these are all forms of powder protein. Now there are a lot of people who say, if you take too much of protein, you will damage your kidneys. There are no such studies found because a bodybuilder may consume easily around 500 grams of protein per day. And researchers have shown that they have shown no signs of kidney damage. But yes, if people have kidney problems, they should avoid lot of protein that can aggravate the issue. So in short, I have shown you how and where these protein powders can be used. Remember, this is not a replacement for natural protein. Every protein has its place natural protein can be used throughout the day, whereas whey protein can be used maybe in the breakfast and post workout. So stick to your whey protein if you can, but I would repeat, powder protein is not compulsory. Yes, protein intake is compulsory, but powder protein is not compulsory. It has its own advantages. So if you want advantage of whey protein, then you can take it in breakfast or post workout or after a strenuous activity. So till the next video, I'll seek your leave. Thank you very much. Take care.